Hi, I'm Heather Everett, the Work-Based Learning and Apprenticeship Manager at the Fort Collins Area Chamber of Commerce, and I'd like to walk you through how to use the Apprenticeship Directory through the Apprenticeship Colorado website. To find the Registered Apprenticeship Directory, first you will need to go to the Apprenticeship website. To find that, you'll go to apprenticeship.colorado.gov. Once you reach the website, you will go to Resources and choose Apprenticeship Directory. When you scroll down the page, you will see a large link to Apprenticeship Program Directory. Click that link and it will take you to your search options. You can search registered apprenticeships by name or occupation. You can type the occupation or name into the search box and press search. You can then select filters, including program names, which is specific to the company that offers, by county or by industry. If we look at Larimer County, we can see all of the electrician registered apprenticeships offered. Once you see one that is interesting, click the small box on the top right-hand corner to open up the program details. Apprenticeship Colorado Directory is not a job listing site. You will need to contact the program specifically if you are interested in that program. This is a good time to speak with your work-based learning coordinator to learn more about how to do this. This is a wonderful opportunity to see everything is offered through registered apprenticeships in our state. Enjoy your search.